everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to this piano lesson for kids. This is the 4th video in this series. If you haven't watched the previous videos in this series, I recommend doing that first. I'll put a link in the description below to the first video. Today what we're going to do is learn the song Mary Had a Little Lamb. It sounds like this. We're going to use our right hand to play this song, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the middle C position. We're going to put our thumb on middle C here and cover these notes, C, D, E, F, G. If you don't know where middle C is, you can write in these notes on your keys using a dry erase marker or a pencil. C, D, E, F, G. Remember, C, middle C is the key in the middle right before these two black keys. Middle C is right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your thumb on middle C here, okay? If you haven't done any warm-ups or anything today, maybe you want to play the seesaw exercise that we learned before, like this. So here's how you'll play Mary Had a Little Lamb. The first phrase goes like this. E, D, C, D. E, E, E. Let's try that again. E, D, C, D. E, E, E. Next you're going to play D, D, D. And then E, G, G. Let's review all that. So it goes E, D, C, D. E, E, E. D, D, D. E, G, G. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you need to work out how to play this on your own. Here's how the second half goes. E, D, C, D, again, just like the first part, but now we're going to play 4 E's in a row. E, 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 E. Okay, let's do that again. E, D, C, D, and then 4 E's. E, 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 E. And then the last part is D, D, E, D, C. The last part again is D, D, E, D, C. Okay, so the second half goes like this. E, D, C, D. E, 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 E. D, D, E, D, C. Let's try the whole song. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, D, D. E, G, G. And then the second half. E, D, C, D, E, 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 E. D, D, E, D, C. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. If you can't quite use your hand in middle C position like this yet, then just use one finger for now to figure out all these notes. That's fine. So here's the one finger version of this song. Now I'm going to show you how to play that with numbers. If you have your hand in the middle C position, the numbers on our hand would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the number version. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. And then the second half. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now, I don't expect you to remember all of that. You're going to have to work through it at your own pace. You can even use your ear as well. If you can hear the song in your head and figure it out on your own without following along in these directions, that's good too. Thanks for following along today, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for your learning. Check out the next video in this series because there's so much more to learn. All right. Have a good day.